Hi everyone. So today I'm making a video to go over the intermediate math activity for Tuesday, April 14th. Some of you may have already done this activity, but in case you haven't, I wanted to give you this instructional video to show you how to do it. And then if you have done it, you can always go back and check your work. Okay? So when you do your packet, your page is going to look like this. And you're going to have two problems on your page, just like the other math problems we looked at. But my page only has one. And then we'll go to the next page to see the second one. Let's flip back. All right. But otherwise, the problems are exactly the same. And we are still doing subtraction, but now we're doing double-digit subtraction. So we have a ones column over here and a tens column over here. And we can still use our objects to help us in the subtraction feature. All right, does that sound like you can do it? I know you can do it. I gave you this work because I know that you can do it. Some of you, it's going to be really simple. Some of you, it might be a little bit harder. So just give it your best effort. So when we're looking at the problem, it tells us maybe
Emily hears 20 guitars playing.
So she hears 20 guitars playing. Let's take a moment and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that we know that there's 5 across, let's practice counting by 5s because we can see that they fulfill a pattern. So let's count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. That gives us 20 guitars. That's where we get this number at the top of our problem. We're back to doing a vertical subtraction problem, a vertical problem setup. So 20. Let's match up our number. Let's begin with you can trace your number while I match it.
2,
So we have 2 tens
2,
and 0 ones.
0,
It wants me, it's not letting me
2,
match it up today. So that's okay. You can trace your 2, 0. At least it's giving me that choice. So this is going to be wrong. It's going to go bong. All right. I was just trying to get it off. Okay. So it says that
10 guitars stop playing.
10 stop playing. So we need to cross off 10. So we have 10 here. We have a minus sign because we know we're subtracting.
1,
You can trace your 1.
0,
You have 1 in the tens column and 0 ones to make the number 10. Let's cross off 10. Ready? 1. Now you can use a pen or a marker to cross yours off on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work.
How many are left playing?
How many are left? How many remain? We know that we're subtracting to find how many are left. 20,
2, 0,
20 minus 10. So we can do this 2 ways. I'm going to show you this way first. 0 minus 0. If we have a 0 and we take away 0, we are left with the number 0.
0.
If we have the number 2, we have 2 items, and we take 1 away, 2 minus 1, how many do we have left? That's right, we have 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1.
1.
So how many are left playing? 10. You're correct. Let's count to check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Okay, let's find our next math problem. It looks like this with violins. On your page, it's going to look like this. But the numbers and the picture is the same. Oh, that's where we upload it. Okay, so it tells us in the beginning.
Chris hears 16 violins playing.
So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We could have counted by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 16. Okay, so that's our number 16.
1.
Trace your 1.
6.
Trace your 6. Great work. And then it says
11 violins stop playing.
11 stop playing. 11.
1.
Trace your 1.
1.
Trace your 1. Okay, so it says we're going to cross off.
Cross off.
How many? 11. Let's count. You cross off with your pen or marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so then it asks, how many are left playing?
How many are left playing?
So we look at our problem and we know that 16 is at the top, and then we have our subtraction sign, and 11, you've made that number, and we've crossed off, so we need to subtract. We can do it through counting down or counting the objects. Let's count the objects first, and then we'll check our math by counting down. Let's count the violins that are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 violins remaining. Am I going to put that 5 here in the tens column? No, because if I put 5 here, that's going to make our number say 50. 5 in the tens says 50. So we need to put nothing here or the number 0. We go here and we put the number 5.
5.
If we want to check our answer, we know that it's right because we got the green box and a nice ding. We say 6 and we count backwards from there. 6, 5. There's one touch point on the number 1, so we just go 6 and count back 1, 5 to get to the number 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. If we have one item and we subtract 1 away, we are left with none, 0, 0. And that is how we complete that math problem. So now you have finished both math problems in your learning activity for April 14th. Our guy is running. He's running. The page is loading. I was going to show you the 2 that you did if the technology cooperates. Well, know that you did them correctly, and I'd love for your family to snap a picture and send it to me. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow for Literacy and Math.